Hello guys, it's Uche Alex here again and welcome to the intermediate level of the graphic design course. Personally, I'm so excited and very happy for you, and I must say a big congratulations to you for making it this far into the program. This intermediate level holds a lot of goodies for you, and it's so much unlike the beginner level where we dwelt on a lot of design theories. This intermediate level is where we will be applying a lot of these design principles or design theories that we discussed about in the previous level, which is the beginner level. So this intermediate level will be getting our hands dirty with practicals or implementations. Also, beyond this level being about implementing a lot of the things we've talked about in the previous level, which is the beginner level, in this section you'll also be introduced to new tool, which is Adobe Illustrator. Adobe Illustrator is a design software, a vector design software, which is majorly used for vector designs and mostly used by logo designers or brand identity designers. But then, as graphic designers, it also comes in handy when doing some levels of design. So we as graphic designers will be introducing this software in this course level. This is because at some point in our designs, we will get to use some tools which are only available in the Adobe Illustrator, or some functions which are only available in Adobe Illustrator and not in Photoshop. So we can know how to use this design and complement each other, Photoshop and Illustrator, to give an amazing design to our client. So once again, I must say a very big congratulations to you. Let me also take this time to remind you, or to put it to your notice, that generally design is an interesting field where learning never ends. So most designers will start out as a graphic designer and will end up as something else, because as you keep growing in the design space, you keep learning new skills all the time. You might start off as a graphic designer and end up as a brand identity designer. Then you do that a while and jump into something else. So because we know this, we have taken our time to structure the beginner level to give you the right foundation that will help you to migrate or maneuver around your journey as a graphic designer or throughout your journey in the design industry. That is why the beginner level is filled with a lot of theories and design principles. We took our time to give you all this so that while you grow in the design industry, no matter which of the design industry you travel through, you won't have any issues adapting, because the design principles are one and applicable anywhere. And beyond the theories, we've also shown you and exposed you to some tools in Photoshop. So generally in this new level, which is the intermediate level, you'll be exposed to new tools in Photoshop. You'll be exposed to new software, which I've mentioned already, which is Adobe Illustrator. Then we'll be doing a lot of implementations, which is practical. So this course is practical based going forward. But despite it being practical based, this doesn't mean the theories won't come in at some point where it's necessary. We'll be having theories come in at some point, but then we'll be having loads of practicals. So I want you to brace up and get ready, because you are about to get your hands dirty. Congratulations once more and welcome to the intermediate level of the graphic design course